Hello, this is Subir Ranjan. Welcome to my channel. As we know that Xiaomi is currently rolling out the stable MIUI 12 update for more devices. Xiaomi has also started the Android 11 beta based MIUI 12 program for some of its devices. It brings a bunch of new features and improvements. Now, Xiaomi is working on the new version of MIUI, that is MIUI 13. As the other MIUI, this version will also bring many new features and improvements. In this video, I will cover everything about the next version of MIUI 13, and will give you the fastest insights of the MIUI 13 eligible devices, release dates and latest news. So Xiaomi fans, this video is going to be very interesting, and guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Let's start. As per the latest report, the MIUI 13 is under development and the MIUI engineers are focusing on optimizing the animations to run more smoothly. This information is confirmed by the Xiaomi engineers. And to be noted, Xiaomi may release the MIUI 13 on Q1 of 2021. So guys, this was all about the MIUI 13 release date, eligible devices and the features. And guys, if you are visiting my channel for the first time, please do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon such that whatever the latest big informations I am revealing through my YouTube channel will get updated to you at the earliest. Catch you again with another episode of Inside Stories. Till then, stay safe, stay tuned. This is Subir. Sign off.